We are surprisingly close to the launch of the brand new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. And here are the top 8 new features that will get you excited. Number 1, the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro will bring huge changes to their design. Both models are adopting a sleek curved design for more ergonomic feel. While the iPhone 15 retains its dependable aluminum frame, the Pro model will elevate its experience with the ultra-light and robust titanium frame, promising an unmatched blend of durability and style. Number 2, Dynamic Island is the standard feature across the whole iPhone 15 lineup. The Dynamic Island is now a standard feature across the whole iPhone 15 lineup, ensuring that any user can experience the mesmerizing and fluid animations on their iPhones. Number 3, get ready for an extraordinary camera upgrade across the iPhone 15 lineup. The standard iPhone 15 now boasts the incredible 48 megapixel sensor, previously exclusive for the Pro model, promising breathtakingly detailed high-resolution photos. But that's not all. The iPhone 15 Pro is stepping up its game with the enhancement to the wide-angle and telephoto lenses. However, the real showstopper this year is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Brace yourself for the addition of the Apple's brand new periscope lens, enabling optical zoom capabilities for the first time in the iPhone up to 5 to 6x. The love for the telephoto lens is about to reach the whole another level. Number 4, say goodbye to the alert slider and say hello to the new action button. With this customizable button, you will have the power to program it to perform any task you want, from instantly activating the torch to launch the camera app or seamlessly activating your favorite shortcuts just from one click. At number 5, we have a performance boost to the iPhone 15 lineup. The standard iPhone 15 inherits the previous generation A16 Bionic chip, delivering an impressive upgrade for an everyday use. But hold on to your seats. The iPhone 15 Pro takes it to the whole another level by introducing the brand new A17 Bionic chip, which is just 3 nanometers. This will be a significant upgrade from the last year's 5 nanometer chip, promising not only high energy efficiency but a lot more of power. At number 6, we have the exciting news from the Apple this year. They are finally making the switch to USB Type-C, which means a game-changing upgrade that simplifies our charging experience. Now, finally you can use the same cables to charge all of your Apple devices. But wait, in true Apple fashion, only MFI certified cables will work with the iPhone 15 Pros. Plus, the iPhone 15 will come with the color coordinated cables in the box, which is a huge delight. And here is where it gets more thrilling. While the iPhone 15s will offer USB 2.0 speeds, the iPhone 15 Pros will take it up a notch with Thunderbolt 3 capability. This means they will be able to transfer the data at the speed of 40 gigabits per second. The iPhone 15 are embracing the MagSafe charging and Qi 2 charging standard, so you can now enjoy 15-watt charging even with the non-capable MagSafe charger. Number 7, prepare for the burst of colors in the iPhone 15 lineup. Rumors have it that the standard iPhone 15 will be available in the delightful pastel shades, bringing a fresh and vibrant feel to your choices. But hold on to your hats, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are checking things up with the introduction of the brand new Titan Grey and Dark Blue colors, bidding farewell to the classic gold color. And yes, the standard iPhone 15 will also come in pink color and will have a matte finish at the back. At number 8, finally the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro models are getting a huge bump in their battery life, addressing the major concerns regarding their previous year's Pro models. These larger battery capacities promise to give a huge upgrade to the battery life of the iPhone 15 Pro models. So let me know what feature are you most excited for in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.